ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः। ज्ञानकर्मसन्न्यासयोगः। जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन। वीतरागभयक्रोधा मन्मया मामुपाश्रिताः बहवो ज्ञानतपसा पूता मद्भावमागताः। ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्। मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः। ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्। मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः। ये whoever yatha in whichever way mam me prapadyante approach or surrender tan them tatha in the same way eva certainly bhajami bless or respond aham I mama my vartma path anuvartante follow Manushyaah people Partha O son of Pritha Sarvashah in all ways. The ever compassionate Lord cares for everyone just as a mother looks after all her children. He recognizes the divergent paths of various people on their spiritual journey. He accepts the one who has surrendered completely to him. So too, he relates to the sense-bound pleasure seekers whose interpretation of him is vastly different. In whichever way one surrenders to me, I respond to them accordingly. O Arjuna, people follow my path in all ways. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataah क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा। काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिम् यजन्त इह देवताः। क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा। काङ्क्षन्तः desiring, कर्मणाम of actions, siddhim success, yajante worship, iha in this world, devatah deities, kshipram quickly, he certainly, manushe in the human, loke in the world, siddhihi result, bhavati manifest, karmaja born of action. The Supreme Lord is eternally blissful and ever compassionate. Despite that, some do not surrender and seek from Him the highest fulfillment, the knowledge of the self. Instead, driven by the worldly attachments and bound to material riches in life, they seek only these lower pleasures from the demigods they pray to. Desiring success of actions in this world, humans worship the deities. Certainly, the results born of action manifest quickly in the world of human beings. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्। मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः। ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्। मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः। काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिम् यजन्त इह देवताः। क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा। काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिम् यजन्त इह देवताः। क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा।